everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good out there. As you know, we always talk about new projects, new websites in which you can invest and get great profit. So today in this video, we are going to talk about a new project. But before we begin, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to get notified about my upcoming and latest video. Thank you. Okay guys, so today in this video we are going to talk about Shiba Infinity. Shiba Infinity is a meme based gaming ecosystem where iconic meme characters become real playable fighters. From meme madam battles to community driven gameplay, this is where meme turns into games. Basically, Shiba game built for gamers and crypto communities. Shiba Infinity focuses on fair play, transparency, and long-term growth. So here we are to the website of the project. You can turn your meme coin into a playable 3D character. Every meme coin can become a playable 3D character in our multiplayer PvP shooter games available on iOS and Google Play. You can check 2 Soul playable 3D character in either meme, Madam or World of Warcraft, and 3 Soul playable 3D character in both meme, Madam and World of Warcraft. Real games, real players, and real exposure. Then you can see some more details about Shiba Infinity. Basically, Shiba Infinity is a next generation crypto gaming platform where real games, real partnerships, and community come together. They build playable multiplayer games before hype, focused on fun, competition, and long term growth. Built for gamers, meme communities, and partners who want to grow constantability. You can play, connect, and grow. So here, first of all, we can see we have the social channels. You can simply check out the social channels as you can see the deck screener here. So here we are redirected to the deck screener. You can check out Shiba on deck screener as well, their price, their market cap value, everything. And then here we are redirected to the dex tool. So you can check out Shiba on dex school as well. And then you can get more details from here, coins to character meme to madam. You can play the games from here. They started by building games for individual meme coins. Now they are bridging the whole space together, one game, one battle, and every community. So you can play the games on this. And then the battlefield where meme coins collide. Meme madam is where communities turn their favorite tokens into playable characters, entering an ever-evolving arena of fun, chaos, and competition. Whether you are a community member or a founder, this is your chance to bring your meme to life to fight, win, and earn. Host tournaments, unlock rewards, and forge alliances. You can download the game from Google Play Store and Apple Store to get the game link manually. So you can check out the power booster here. You can unleash your energy with Shiba Infinity power boosters, a special formula crafted for gamers, degens, and meme lords who never long off. Boost up, blast off, and stay sharp. So here we have the social channels. You can simply follow them on Twitter to be able to understand the project, to check the recent tweets, recent details about Shiba Infinity as well. Then we also have the Soul Scan, so you can check out the Soul Scan as well, and other social things. The token powering Shiba Infinity built to scale with every game, every player, and every meme. As they grow, so does its power. So you can check out their team. You can check out the team I mentioned here, the founder and community management, founder and strategy, founder and business development, etc. Here we have the white paper of Shiba Infinity. You can check out the white paper, the introduction, mission, and their mission is to build an inclusive, positive, engaged community, rounded gaming and meme culture, and the core principles as well. You can check out the partnerships, liquidity, and launch with roadmap, and everything is mentioned here. All you have to do to read the white paper to know more about the Shiba Infinity. Okay, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description. Looks to me this is the new and amazing platform. Turn your meme coin into a playable 3D character. You're going to enjoy this by playing the game. So what are you looking for? Go and download the game from Google Play Store and Apple Store and enjoy. And at last, here we have the contact address. You can simply copy this address and paste it in your wallet, and then you'll be able to check your Shiba Infinity token. Thank you so much for watching.